Okay, so it's my day 3 here in Israel, Tel Aviv. Yesterday I went to Jerusalem. It's worth it, guys. Yung pagod, yung pinuntahan namin. The feeling is different. By the way, for those who are taking NCLEX and you aiming for American Dream, this is the tower, Tower 2, and this is the Tower 1. So I'm just standing right behind it. So kung gusto nyo mag-take ng NCLEX, you should try Israel. So there's a park there, guys, dyan sa kabila. So why not i-try natin? Sabi daw malapit na mall dito, but you can see malaking building. Or just try the park. There's an overpass. Tawid tayo and we'll check the other side. So guys, I was thinking na overpass to. Hindi pala. Nice. So we will use the pedestrian. So guys, ito yung art museum nila. Tumawid na ako. Baka later puntahan natin yan, but I need something na magagalaan for the meantime. Greenery Park na nandito. So yan. Tara. Puntahan natin. Never been this place, guys, pero for the vlog. Puta edi wow! Guys, you see that one, guys. Nag-search ako, isa na sa pinakamagandang sa Trizoom yan. Kita nyo ba yan? It's an air balloon. Ililift ka lang for 15 minutes. Makikita mo yung Tel Aviv. So guys, as you can see, this is the BSR1. That one, and this is the BSR2, where person view is. Diyan kayo magte-take, mga nurses. So for all takers, guys, good luck sa inyo. And so tara. I don't know if I'm in the right way, pero it's look like a forest instead of a park. Forest park maybe. So ayun. Nakita nyo to, guys, timbangan yan. So tara, tingnan natin kung anong timbang natin ngayon. Hope hindi tayo bumikat. Tara. She's a liar. Sinungaling. Hindi ako umabot ng ganong kabigat. Grabe. Wow! So 7 meals. Yarkon Scout Troop Biat Hazanhan. Basta guys, ayan. Guys, I'm not sure if this is the mallard, but I see a mallard there. Is it a mallard? Mallard? Go mallard. Just focus on that white thing. And there's a parrot, I guess. Yes! These trails continues. So guys, there's another species, guys, na makikita natin dito is a white-breasted kingfisher. Yun yung pinakita ko kanina, which is so nice, guys. They live in their natural habitat. Sana dadami pa sila. Hindi sila inuhuli. So guys, I think this is the end of the track. Or wood part nila. So yeah, so we'll try to get the other side on there. I'm not sure if that's the right one, pero right now. Guys, look at that. It's a defibrillator. How nice this place is. And guys, if hindi to kayo, guys, maamoy, and you smell the freshness of those flowers, guys. Yan. think it's the one. No? Okay kayo. So yun. I guess I'm very far right now. So let's go back and jump to the other side. Okay kayo. So tara, let's go. You hear those birds? Diba? Ang ganda pakinggan sa tenga. And I think it's a nest, guys. And nest, and you see the parrot? May parrot din. Yes. Nice, nice. Guys, ito lang masasabi ko. You can't compare another city sa ibang city kasi iba-iba yung no-offer nila. So maybe you see Tel Aviv is a simple, nice place. Ito lang, simple. Like yung life nila, yung city nila, hindi siya gaano ka, like yung ibang city, you see naman na they have like 20 to 25 high-rise building. Dito guys, kukonti lang dito sa Tel Aviv. Doon sa naman sa ibang side, like sa malapit sa dagat, yun, makikita mo yung mga high-rise building. Yung palabas ng Tel Aviv, yun, marami doon. Siguro doon yung part na yun na hindi pa masyadong na-develop. So nung nag-start na, nag-boom yung economy nila, so yun, doon nila ginawa yun. Or basta yung mga ano, basta yun. Okay kayo. So guys, kung nakikita nyo pala yung building na to, this is for area for mga may disabled. So see, ang ganda ng place nila. May gym, amenities, there, may tennis, basketball court, playground. Ang ganda guys. And they deserve it naman, as we all know, di ba? So ayun, that side. Balik tayo sa dinaanan natin, guys. Okay kayo. Guys, gusto kong punta ang park na yan. But how? Kasi titingnan mo, wala siyang patawid. Yun yung daan niya. Then guys, nakarating na tayo sa dulo, which is ito, roundabout. Kabalik na tayo sa where we started. Still guys, wala pa ding daan, papunta lang ako na. Or I think I should follow those guys na lang para ano, kung maligaw kami, marami kami. I knew it guys, may malapit na mall dito. Yan. So malapit tingnan, but I don't know if ganun ba kalapit. So tara, gala-gala lang. So yun guys, ano, is around 30 minutes natin paglalakad. May nakita tayong mall malapit ito, which is Zara Mall. Gago! Dito, so ayun. So it's just like around the corner lang, next sa park, next sa stadium. May McDonald's guys. Yes. First time sa akin tong mga. So guys, ito pala yung mga sasakyan. Yan, magkatabi-tabi lang sila. Kung gusto mong bumili ng sasakyan, ayun, this is the right place for you. I mean this street. Tara, let's go. So tara, let's see kung papayag ba silang mag-ano tayo sa loob, mag-video. Ayun.